Hey everyone, welcome to the Devlog for my parametric sketching and boolean add-on for Blender. Today, a huge update. The dimension tool is fully implemented. These aren't just visual lines. Every dimension, distance, radius, or angle is a true mathematical constraint passed directly to the SolveSpace core. To achieve professional CAD behavior, I completely ditched the standard Blender gizmos. Clicking a dimension opens a pop-up to set exact values, change alignment, or toggle reference mode to simply measure geometry without constraining it. If you click and drag, you can seamlessly adjust the leader line offset and slide the text simultaneously. It feels incredibly smooth. The dimensioning foundation is fully ready. Next up, Boolean operations. Thanks for following the project. Subscribe and join our Discord in the description so you don't miss the release. See you next time.